Okay, guys, this is our 4th game. This game
Bro,
is very
I can't post my POV. Okay, I'm gonna try and use OBS, bro.
I use CapCut to edit videos. It's very cool. Yo, Pink's at our base. Never mind. I have paranoia now. I'm right behind you. What are you doing? He's actually so dumb.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Haha. Yo! Someone's at our base!
There's 2 people at our base. Okay, I killed them, but he broke our bed.
They're dead. You know, it doesn't matter. Let's just play safe now. Never mind! Someone's going to our base!
Bro, get me out of here.
Or are they fighting? Oh, they're fighting.
There's someone coming to us right now.
Oh my god.
Get me out of here.
Go to Pink's base. I die.
Peter,
What's up, boy? What's up, boy?
Why you bully me? You fucking bitch, why you bully me? Everyone asking.
Get out of my game! Yo, let's go to Aqua. No, but they don't have any defense, bro.
Where's Aqua at? I'm right behind this gray dude.
You come at me, bro.
Bro, it's not recording. So annoying. Can't get it to record that Minecraft.
Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And we are going to record another video after this video, and then another video after that video. See you guys, and we will never see this game again.